Welcome to our review of the Village Hotel in Basingstoke.
So we're all packed up and ready to leave the Village Hotel in Basingstoke. We've been here 2 nights and we've had a great time, haven't we, meeting up with Jamie and Matthew, but also the hotel has been a really good choice, hasn't it, Paul?
Oh, definitely, yeah.
Never stayed in the Village Hotel before. They are a chain, which we didn't even know that, did we, in other cities? So we'll definitely be looking out for them again. But let's show you around the room and just show you what you get for your money. We paid It was 157?
70 odd pound a night, but that did include breakfast.
And free parking at the moment, isn't it?
It's free parking if it's over the weekend, including Friday. It's free parking. If it's for some strange reason Monday to Thursday, it's £5 a day.
Okay.
So it's not excessive,
not too bad.
but free over the weekend.
Yeah. Obviously, I guess they do different deals and stuff, don't they? So, but we'll put a link in the description to booking.com to our affiliate link, which we'd appreciate if you did decide to book this hotel. If you click through that, it doesn't cost you anything more, but just helps us keep our website running and stuff, doesn't it, Paul and Morgan? But anyway, let's show you around the room. So we're in room 537. And obviously we come in here, you've got a aircon heating system which is done on everything's touch screen, isn't it, Paul?
Yes.
Which is really nice. And as soon as we walked in the room, it had a sealed, we can just see the end of it there, to show that it's clean. And the whole hotel has been spotlessly clean, hasn't it, Paul?
When you get to your room, if your seal's been tampered, come straight back down and we'll give you a new room.
Yeah.
Which basically just means that after the cleaner's been in and thoroughly cleaned the place top to bottom, they seal the room up. There's a bag on your bed with your towels and your tea and coffee and sugar and milk and stuff, all inside this sealed bag.
Yeah.
If anything's been tampered with, go to reception, they'll start again. But the room was all sealed. Our towels and our tea and coffee was all sealed. So we know we're good to go. To
be honest, throughout the hotel, we've got to comment that the cleanliness has been superb.
Yeah, excellent, yeah.
The breakfast we've had, it's okay. It's a cooked breakfast or continental, just a croissant and cereal. So nothing, majorly huge, but actually very good. The service has been lovely and the staff have been really friendly, haven't they? Nice. We felt very, very safe all the way through our stay.
Yeah, totally.
So the first thing you notice when you walk into the room is this bright wall, which we really liked. It's quite a funky room, would you say?
Yeah, it's very modern.
Very modern, yeah, with touch screen. You got an open plan wardrobe here, and what we've loved is you got loads of plugs. Tea and coffee, as we mentioned, plugs there. You got plugs under here, and also a computer connection thingy, whatever you call that.
I don't know. I didn't even know what it was.
And every room has Alexa. Unfortunately, our Alexa, she's refusing to speak to us. Which is a shame, but we did have the option of changing a room because for some reason she's not working. But all it is you can obviously call reception, find out what pub grub they've got and opening hours. But we haven't felt that was a problem, have we, Paul?
But no, but they said we're more than happy to move you. But
we thought we're only here for 2 nights, so it doesn't matter. So that's a nice touch if it worked.
But you've also got ironing board and iron.
Yes, yeah.
Plenty of coat hangers, not the silly ones where you have to hook it over a thing and you drop it on the floor 50 times. That's probably just me. But yeah, so that's good as well. Yeah.
In here, you've got a hairdryer and you've got 2 drawers. Not a huge amount of storage, to be fair, is there? But you've got obviously up there where Paulie put his jumper and stuff. And
it's not the type of hotel you come in for a week, though, is it? It's 1 or 2 nights, so it's plenty. And obviously you've got don't forget your...
Oh yeah, USB ports, 2 on each side, isn't it, Paul?
Yeah.
You've got 2? I've got 2. So that's really good. One thing we've loved in this room is the big telly. It's about 60-inch, do you think, Paul?
I don't know, but it's a big one.
Yeah, it's a big one, but Ultra HD. And we had a really wet day yesterday and didn't meet our friends till mid-afternoon. So we had a great experience watching Harry Potter.
We had a Potterathon.
We did have a Potterathon. Now, to the bed, very comfortable bed, isn't it, Paul?
Comfortable and big.
Yes,
so
very
if
big.
One of us maybe was snoring...
Maybe.
You can get far enough away that the other one can't elbow you in the ribs.
So, and good thick pillows.
Yes.
We like a good thick pillow. So, so let's go to the bathroom because there's quite a few gadgets in here.
3 coat hangers.
3 coat hangers. Or coat posts. Well, they are a post. They're a wooden
post.
post.
I don't think anybody's ever called them coat posts ever, honey, but still.
But one of the things we really liked about the bathroom is if you can see the bathroom now, Paul will go behind and you can't, I mean, you can see a shadow of him, but they've got the privacy glass, which is lovely. But if you come out and press the button there, now you see him in the shower. Yeah.
And what it's good for is if you're having a shower and you put this light on, you can still watch the telly.
Yeah. He's telly mad. Telly mad.
Telly mad.
Yeah, so again, if you just press that again, obviously the privacy, which is great. Actually, into the bathroom, you've got just obviously a window here, which has got everything's touch. So if you want to put the blind down, and it's a blackout blind, so we've slept really well, haven't we? Because no light comes in at all, which is great.
That just makes a lot of noise, lets you have an ear over your talking.
Okay, and the other thing which is a bit scary is this mirror, because you can turn it on and when you look you can see the detail. I won't put my face in there because it'll probably scare you.
Yeah, well it is Halloween, so...
And obviously you can make it brighter, so for shaving and putting makeup on, that is a lovely touch, isn't it, Paul?
Yes.
Onto the shower, huge shower with 2 heads, a big rain shower there and a side arm, and that side arm is fab, isn't it? Because it goes to 3 different settings. The only thing we say is it hasn't got a door on, and you think it'll be big enough, but we did get a bit of splash water out of there, didn't we? But it's there we are, it's nice. And then you've got your own Esper shampoo and body wash. So we've been really impressed with this room. Nothing to say about the toilet, is there?
No.
Nice big white fluffy towels. So yeah, so this is the Village Hotel in Basingstoke, and we would definitely recommend a visit.
It's been on here.
Anything else to add, Paulie Morgan?
Nothing whatsoever.
No,
we said about the breakfast. But
Yeah.
breakfast was just a good start to the day, but like I said, very friendly. Carol said about continental, but if you want all of it, you can have cereals,
Yeah,
you can
you
have
can.
toast, you can have croissants, and you can have the full English if you want.
Now, from a location point of view, our friends live by the train station, and we did walk there. It took us about 20 minutes, didn't it? So that was fine. So if you are coming by train, a short taxi ride, we used a taxi twice now, haven't we?
And the most we paid is £5.
Exactly. £5 from the train station. And yesterday evening we went into Basingstoke and had a fantastic meal at Chennai Express, an Indian. And that was superb food. So we definitely recommend that. And got a taxi, and that was £4, well, £4.80, wasn't it?
Right, yeah.
And yesterday there's lots of, in Hampshire, you can go and visit, obviously, the countryside here, which is beautiful. But also we went to the Bombay Sapphire Distillery.
Yeah, you
got it right. So, which was a really good tour, which was £17. And we come away with a bottle of Brambles, which is a blackberry and another berry. Gin.
Like
so we might be sampling some of that over the week. So there we are. So that's our review of the Village Hotel in Basingstoke, and we would definitely come and stay again.
Thanks for watching. We've got tons of other hotel reviews. Why not watch one now?